Hello, listeners around the globe. This is Dr. Afshan Hashmi, best selling author, radio, and TV personality. And today I want to talk to you about my second book, which is now available worldwide, The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. And you can get it from wherever books are sold. And you will love this book because it is about a sizzling FBI and CBI thriller science fiction novel. And I will read little bit about the synopsis of the book, and here I go. A monstrous infection is spreading worldwide. Is this a simple infection or a deliberate attempt to ruin the human population or bioterrorism? What is this global infection and who is spreading this? To know that, read this suspense-filled book by an Amazon best-selling and hot #1 new release author of a previous book called The Modern Mughal Mentality: New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. In my second book, a sizzling science fiction story, a crime is investigated by the FBI in collaboration with the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) of India. And this is the cover of the book. And please make it a New York Times bestseller and Amazon bestseller. And please give an honest review as you have given to my previous book. And my first book, The Modern Mughal Mentality: New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace, is available also worldwide. And please give an honest review, and people who have read this book, please go and give an honest review. And thank you so much for giving me an honest review. And don't forget to buy this book and make it a bestseller in everywhere. And I will be so thankful to all of you. Thanks a lot and cheers. And this is your loving author, Dr. Afshan Hashmi, now signing off from this episode, you can say, or a trailer of the book, you can say. And love you all. Bye bye. Cheers.